Hello world, I'm Damian and I just arrived to the Brickfields in Kuala Lumpur, or commonly known as Little India. This is very important part of Kuala Lumpur city because it's actually the middle center of the city of KL, and also there is the biggest transit hub, transit station in Malaysia, and also one of the biggest in Southeast Asia. Brickfields and Little India right now is the one of the oldest part of the Kuala Lumpur city. Also long time ago that was the pretty dangerous part of the city. However, that changed already many years ago, actually a few decades ago, and now it's just commonly known as Little India. So I'm trying to convince you, whenever you're traveling to Kuala Lumpur, you should come here and visit this part of the city. I'm gonna show you the best of it now. And while the buildings over here, they look old, and they are old indeed, in the background they are already the newer construction and even new constructions of the condos over here, so the area is bumping up all the time. You're gonna enter the Little India from the KL Sentral station. The first thing what you're gonna see is the fruit market and the stalls with the food, and also clothes and also flowers, and actually so many things. It's like my eyes going everywhere around. I'm gonna try you as much as possible from this lovely place. Not mention as this Little India is so clean, and they have their own cleaners also here. They're keeping the place really tidy up, like for Little India, guys. I'm impressed. I've never been in India, however, I always love to exploring Little Indias when I'm in other countries in Southeast Asia. Well, in Singapore, Malaysia have it very big one and very well organized ones. And well, that makes me want to go one day to India visit and make so many videos around. Meanwhile, you can find here so many other businesses around. Actually, I'm not sure where is the best time to come here. Yo, yo. And on every single corner you can find actually so many friendly people over here, guys. I want to show you the flower market. These flowers are selling for the offerings. Whenever the Indian people praying, they're giving these ones. They're looking actually very beautiful. There is small market, however, worth to show you guys around. Also, they're making these offerings by the handmade, which is even more beautiful and more cool. Very interesting things to show and to be. Of course, currently the biggest part of the expats from India living in Brickfields, so they're feeling here really comfortable. And Brickfields officially is Little India approved. In Little India you can find so many Indian cuisines, starting from the North India up to South India, because they are two different actually, guys. Don't make it me wrong. There is not only one Indian cuisine. So I was literally strolling around the Brickfields, Little India, and this guy just was sitting around. I mean, like, whoa, the world is so small. I met him once filming the Chinatown. Maybe you remember him. If not, we're gonna have some lunch now. Let's see. He has some recommendations, so let's go. All right, so we're gonna try some Indian food when we are already in Little India. You have to try it. And here you go. This is the naan cheese with the sauces. This is the roti. Roti what? Roti chapati. So this is the roti chapati. And this is the tandoori chicken, of course. Very Indian food, guys, today. So basically, you're taking the bread, eat like this one. I show you already once, but I'm gonna try you once more time. Enjoy. Alright, so after the lunch or maybe early dinner, we're gonna explore a little bit of the Little India, guys, because there are actually few streets that are worth to cover, so why not? You can find actually here so many Indian authentic restaurants, shops, and any other stuffs like this actually. Also so many very nice textile shops with the dresses and any other material. This is Little India, but you can also find here so many bars in case if you are interested. And also what is very interesting, you can find people here from all around the world, not only Indian. Of course the Indians are a majority here, but even in this bar they are like people, international people chilling around, guys. And of course this is the Kuala Lumpur Center, and this is also 24 karat gold, Indian gold. However, make sure the Indian gold is a little bit different than the other golds. However, the way how they are making it is actually very, very beautiful. Check this out. I think that's the Ganesh, right? No? Ganesh? No? Ganesh, okay. Just Krishna actually. And in case if you're interested how to get there, of course you have to come to KL Sentral, the biggest hub in Malaysia, guys. You're not gonna miss it. Alright guys, so that's it from the center of Little India. Let's go now to KL Sentral, new Central Mall, because if we are already in here, it's also worth to show you the center, as you will know where we are, what we're doing here, and what you can expect from this place. And this is the terminal of KL Sentral. Basically here you can find any MRT station, going train to the airport, going KTM commuter, LRT, MRT, everywhere. Actually this is the main hub. It's a very important place in Malaysia, and this is like the biggest station in Kuala Lumpur. Alright guys, and then you have a new Central Mall, which is actually connected to the KL Central station. Pretty huge mall, I could say, multiple story one, and you can find any kind of businesses here, whatever you need. You just come here. Also this is like one of the, I think it's older mall, because this is like a central of Kuala Lumpur. Alright, so it's time to go home. This is the first monorail, and the first station actually where the line is starting is KL Sentral. Many of you guys actually starting right here. Also it's rainy outside, I can see that. So